And at dinner last night, I got eating everything that's eatable. And once we were in Lyon, actually on my birthday, it's 24th of July.
Camera, flashlight on the phone will be okay. But I think it's just a really short tunnel.
So they have like built a bridge or something. Yeah.
It's slippery.
Nice. Thank you, obrigado.
Slippery when wet.
Slippery when wet.
It is wet.
Greetings.
Greetings, salutations.
I go pro.
Hello. Nice pose. Hello.
Do you love the sights?
I do. It's quite foggy, but it's still, it has this eerie kind of feeling to it. And now that the sun is coming up, it's just, yeah. So I don't think I have to see the, hey, look, there's a rainbow.
Yeah, but it's
A circular rainbow, yeah. That's neat. Wow. That's fucking amazing.
name meant angel.
Yes,
That's the thing.
that's the thing. Hey, I think those are the people from yesterday when we went. At least the guy I can remember when I said nice pose.
No.
And they all laughed.
No.
Also, nice pose. So we met again. Cool, danke.
Mal sehen, wir haben ja noch ein paar Tage, oder?
Ja, ja. There's also a rainbow though, back there.
Yeah. Oh, it's just...
Yeah, I know. Where you kind of like, I didn't know. No.